Hi,
Hi.
how are you?
Good.
What's your name?
Arav.
What do you do?
I make food.
Wow, so you're a chef?
Yeah, a chef, but kind of like a little bit fancy making.
Very nice. Oh, I see you are drinking something very exotic. What is it?
It's a thing from Japanese, and they used to drink this milk in so many years.
Wow, so what have you put it inside?
I put it banana milk and grapes.
Wow, I like the decoration that you have done.
Yeah, but I need to add one thing, ice.
You added ice too?
No, I need to add ice.
Okay. Okay, so now I see you have a menu here. What is on your menu today, sir?
My menu is smoothie, Coke, water, hot chocolate, ice cream, milk, and cream smoothie.
Whoa.
This is cream.
Amazing.
And I'm from Tim Hortons, if you want to ask.
Perfect. You're Tim Hortons? No, I don't think Tim Hortons has this great stuff in there.
No, this is a fancy Tim Hortons.
Oh, fancy one.
And
Nice.
you want to see this part? Nutella smoothie, burger, and strawberry, chocolate, chocolate balls, and apple, and grapes, and tomatoes.
Okay, so now I want to understand, where did you get the idea of making this exotic drink?
Because one of my friends is Japanese, and she drinks it a lot of time, like a lot. And I decided to make it.
Wow, that's great. That's great. So do you cook something for your mommy sometimes or your daddy?
Well, yeah, I did, and they liked it. As you see, I made something here that it had sugar and water.
Wow, what kind of sugar is that?
Huh?
What kind of sugar was that?
That's the sugar that India people kind of drink.
Oh, you mean the jaggery powder?
Yeah, jaggery.
Oh, nice. That's healthy.
Yeah, but I hate to put those white ones in there.
You don't like white sugar?
Yeah.
That's good. That's good. Okay, so now...
Okay, do you want to ask how old am I?
Yeah.
I'm only 6.5.
Really?
Yes.
How can you cook so well? Where did you learn all this?
I didn't learn it from anywhere. I just got it in my thoughts.
Whoa, you're a genius, as your t-shirt says.
Huh?
You're a genius, as your t-shirt says.
Yeah.
Do you know what this is? Genius wipes.
Yeah.
Okay. So, yeah, take a sip and now tell me how does that taste?
It's good, but it's only the milk that I only taste. But I could also feel the little bit of the banana parts.
Whoa.
And also because I broke this, right?
Mm-hmm.
I could also feel this in there because the juice is inside.
Oh, nice.
I broke it and put the juice in there.
Okay, so yeah, now finish it and tell me, how did you feel it?
I can only drink it to this much right now.
Okay. Thank you, Mr. Chef Arav.
And also, I also put sugar in there.
Wow.
Brown sugar. If you see that brown part in there, you see those brown parts?
Yeah, I do see that. Yeah, very nice.
And so, if you want to see my cookings again next time,
For sure.
please comment down.
Comment and subscribe.
Yeah, and also put the like button and smash the subscribe button.
Whoa, definitely everybody will. Thank you.
Bye.
Ta-da!